'Tis the season of vacations. The Main Choice came right on time with their mini-sized products now available at the Dollar General. Whether you are slaying on the run or going on a quick getaway, the Main Choice has you covered with these mini-sized products. And again, you can now find these babies at the Dollar General. We have the Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel, Easy on the Curls Shampoo, Easy on the Curls Conditioner, and also the Soft as Can Be 3-in-1 Conditioner. But enough talking, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to slay on the run with these products. To cleanse our hair, we're going to use the Easy on the Curls Shampoo. Moving on to the Soft as Can Be 3-in-1 Conditioner. This is one of my favorites because it also serves as a leave-in. Now it's time to get these curls defined with the Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. So I went ahead and parted my hair because on that section we're just going to leave that Bantu knot alone and worry about that later. This style literally only took me about 45 minutes to do, and the reason why I chose this is because I can still look halfway decent if I was on my way to the airport by letting my curls air dry and having that edgy little Bantu knot on the other side. This is also convenient for my people who like to shampoo their hair after a workout while they're at the gym. Or you can do the 3-in-1 conditioner and use it as a co-wash. You can also touch up your wash and go and use the styling gel. Almost finished. I'm going to continue to rake the Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel throughout my front section. Now you see me brushing it through to make sure that each strand gets some of that good old styling gel. My curls are all shiny, defined, and lightweight. I'm going to let this style air dry. Before I show you guys my finished style, I just had to give my gym lovers a visual of how convenient it is to take these smaller Main Choice products with them to the gym. My hair is completely dry. We are moving on to the Bantu knot. I'm going to go back into that Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel that not only defines the curls but also smooths down the edges. And then I'm just going to simply keep twisting and wrap my hair into a Bantu knot. To give it more of a sleek, tame look, I'm going to add the styling gel to the roots and the edges of the other side. Once I am done with that, it is now time to add volume. Grabbing my hair pick, I am going to gently pick the roots. From there, we're going to do a little hand action and a little bit more pick action, and we are done. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope you get the same results or even better. And remember, these new mini-sized convenient products by The Main Choice can now be found at the Dollar General and also themainchoice.com.